Ethereum is stronger than ever. What's going on in the crypto world after that upgrade? Shanghai, it's going down, Ethereum? It doesn't seem so. You wanna know everything about that? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for Fun on the Ride Crypto a Tope. So yesterday we were telling you that maybe Ethereum was going to go down due to the new upgrade, the new hard fork, but not. Right now Ethereum is stronger than ever. We are going crazy up, and I'm gonna tell you everything about that. Also how FTX maybe is coming back from death and what's going on with Bitcoin, etc., etc. But first, let me tell you about our friends TaxDown and also Coin Tracking. They just partner. They are together right now. You have a link in the description. You're gonna have a 10% discount because you are a rider. So if you use Coin Tracking, you get that 10%. But also now, if you are a Coin Tracking user, you are going to get a 20% discount if you need TaxDown services. So what's TaxDown? Where they're going to help you with your tax report. And it's Pedro Errol, this famous personality, telling you what's going on here with those tax reports that were not right presented.
¿Qué eres?
What are you?
¿Y qué te saca de tus casillas?
I'm a wrong tax report. I don't like to be a draft. Now I'm correct, thanks to TaxDown, with experts and the best result possible. Download TaxDown. So that's what our friends are telling you. It's so simple. You just need your email and they will ask you some questions, and then you can decide if you want to be a pro, maybe because you are, or maybe you need some help. Then you can have the version live or the version full. It's so simple. You just need to register, answer some easy questions. They're going to calculate the best result for you, and then you have here the numbers. Those are all the tax reports they've done already, which are more than 1 million. In a world where nobody is trying to do tax reports, well, they are leading the market. So go to the link below, use Coin Tracking, and also the link to TaxDown, and just take advantage of the situation. And also, you have good news, because due to this partnership between Coin Tracking and TaxDown, they are going to give away 2 full inversor plans. So if you want to participate in the draw, you just have to follow them on Twitter and retweet, etc. I leave you the link in the description below, and maybe you are the lucky winner of one of those full versions where you have a lot of help for your tax report. And also remember that you can go to CL Crypto to listen to all those videos they have in YouTube. They are the full partner for the full service in coin tracking, and we were with them yesterday in Crypto Plaza. We had a really great time with Moritz from Coin Tracking and Jesus Lorente from CL Crypto that we are going to right now watch a couple of videos that I recorded with them. Let's listen to Maurice and what's new in coin tracking. Thank you very much for being here, Fun on the Ride, and we are so thankful because you came to Spain. We have a lot of questions about tax regulation. We need tools. Coin tracking is the best one for that, and
Thank
you're
you so
here for that questions and for telling us what's new in coin tracking. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we released a new tax report, especially for Spain today, where we had some new features for Spanish tax regulation and tax filing, where our users are able to generate tax report that fit exactly to the new regulations from the Spanish tax authorities.
Yeah, it's not easy. We want to comply, but it's not easy with regulations. And also for the tool that has to translate that regulation into reality. Now in Spain, going further, making it a little bit more difficult for that, because we have to tell what are we selling, if it's fiat, if it's cryptocurrency, and how. And now this tool, Coin Tracking, is able on doing so, right?
Yeah, exactly. The tax authorities recommend that users state crypto to fiat trades, crypto to crypto trades, crypto to NFT trades, and some future and derivatives trades separately. And that's exactly what we are doing. And Additionally, you are able to generate your portfolio value at the end of the year, which is important for your local wealth tax in Spain.
Absolutely. Well, thank you very much for that. And you are going to 10 years. You celebrated actually 10 years in this space, right?
Yeah. We are the oldest tool, and we have the most customers, and we know what we have to do in this business. Yeah,
nice. Congratulations on those 10 years. It's not easy, and you are able of doing so. So thank you very much. And let's see that AMA, and let's see the questions of our friends, our riders. Thank you very much, Moritz. So we have incredible news there in coin tracking. Those are the only ones, the only tool that you can use in order to do correctly, properly, that news regulations for tax reporting crypto in Spain. And also CL Crypto is going to help you with that. Let's listen to Jesús Lorente, CL Crypto. De CL Crypto, volvemos a encontrarnos en esta ocasión en Madrid, en CryPTOplaza, porque venís a contarnos novedades. Tenemos un AMA, para la gente que no entiende qué es eso, es pregúntame lo que te dé la gana, ask me anything, y nos vais a contar un montón de novedades. ¿Dónde estamos en el mundo de la criptorregulación en España y dónde está CL Crypto?
Pues bueno, aquí la verdad es que en CL Crypto estamos viendo un poco las novedades, gracias sobre todo también a los compañeros de Coin Tracking con los que colaboramos hoy. Somos full service partner de ellos, el único en España, el único asesor, por decirlo así, homologado, un poco que está reconocido por ellos como full service. Y bueno, pues con ellos hemos decidido hacer este AMA para explicar las novedades tanto de Coin Tracking como de la renta. Es decir, son las dos cosas que al final pues tenemos una herramienta y la legislación que tenemos que hacer, bueno, pues unimos todo hoy y a ver un poco si podemos ayudar a la gente.
Genial. ¿Y dónde estamos? Danos alguna primicia exclusiva y dónde está la situación regulatoria en España, que entiendo que cada vez peor, más difícil para poder cumplir con esas normas.
A ver, antes de nada hemos tenido mucha suerte. Porque primero ponía una casilla que no nos podíamos deducir las pérdidas, hicimos un vídeo muy viral con varios asesores fiscales y esa la han quitado, y menos mal porque si no ya hubiéramos muerto ahí. Y entonces, sin embargo, ahora pues tenemos una segunda pega este año nueva, que es lo que comentábamos antes, que era que tenemos que decir qué hacemos con nuestras cripto, por qué las vendemos por otra cripto, por fiat, por NFTs o para pagar servicios. ¿Pero esto para qué? Si al final si yo vendo un Bitcoin con 15.000 euros de ganancia, me da igual, voy a pagar los mismos impuestos si lo vendo por euros, por Ether, por un NFT o por una moto.
Sí, al final es por qué tantísima información, ¿no?
Claro.
¿Qué necesidad?
Claro, al final lo único que hace es dificultar la elaboración correcta, que ya es súper complicado hacer la renta, pues ya si encima ahora le pones más trabas y sobre todo para no pagar más o menos, sino que es para pagar lo mismo. Entonces, pues bueno, yo creo que esto puede ser igual algún tipo de truquillo suyo para decir, lo has rellenado mal, pues venga, una multa.
Hemos visto hoy en CryptoNews que se van a mandar un 40% más de cartas avisando a las personas que tienen criptomonedas que tienen que cumplir con esta obligación, y muchos riders tenemos la experiencia que quieren cumplir, pero que no nos lo ponen fácil. Al final buscamos una solución y lo que vemos es lo contrario, ¿no? Cada vez un poquito más de dificultad.
Sí, pero bueno, yo al final siempre digo una cosa. A ver, aunque no podamos hacerlo 100% perfecto, pues podemos hacer un 60, un 70, un 80, vamos a hacerlo lo mejor posible. Que decir, la cuestión es, no me cuadra todo, ¿vale? Pues vamos a hacer que nos cuadre una parte y eso lo declaramos. Lo que no puede ser es, mira, como esto no me cuadra, no hago nada. No haces nada este año, al año siguiente tampoco, y al final tienes ahí el problema, ¿no?
Sí, se hace bola, y como dejes ya 4 años de cripto sin haber apañado, cualquiera entra, ni con CoinTracking, ni con CL Crypto, ni con nada, muy complicado. Así que, como ha abierto ya el periodo de renta, ¿no? Ya podemos declarar, pues cuanto antes, ¿no? Que los españoles somos muy de dejarlo todo para el final, nos vamos a esperar a junio. ¿Qué tenemos que hacer? La gente que esté ahí y diga, oye, ¿por dónde empiezo, Jesús?
A ver, lo primero, tienes que utilizar una herramienta, nosotros recomendamos desde luego CoinTracking, que importen todo ahí, y después si ellos no saben, el propio usuario, lo mejor sería que fuera revisando todo, las missing, las duplicate, las validate, y si ellos no lo saben meter pues todo bien, pues que nos llamen, que entren en www.clcrypto.com, les podemos ayudar un poco en función de lo que ellos tengan, ¿no? Que tienen mucha cosa, pues tendremos que meterle más horas. Que tienen poquita cosa, pues con pocas horas le podemos ayudar.
¿Se está notando ya que empieza este periodo de rentas? ¿Está la gente ya acudiendo a CL Crypto?
Total. Ayer que empezaba la campaña, creo que Matías Prats ya salió en las noticias diciendo que empezaba ya la renta, y entonces ayer fue una locura. O sea, ya gente que quería ya hacer la renta, decía, chico, tranquilo. También recomendamos una cosa, tranquilidad un poco, que decir, no va a ser crítico que salga una consulta en un par de semanas, que salga alguna cosa nueva, ¿no? Pues bueno, no vamos a intentar ser los primeros, vamos a dar un poco de tranquilidad, no hay que hacerlo al final, pero tenerlas ya preparadas, ¿no?
Sí, pero luego lo que pasa es que lo dejamos para el final normalmente, y me consta que luego al final no podéis atender las rentas que os llegan, ¿no? Que decís, oye, ya no hay cupo.
Está claro. A ver, lo que tenemos que hacer es prepararlo todo ya y tenerlo guardado. Y entonces, dentro de 15 días, dentro de 20 días, si vemos que no hay nada nuevo, ya le damos al botón de enviar. Es un poco ser prudente, ¿no? Pero desde luego, cuanto antes se haga, mejor. Si es que esto se puede hacer ya desde el día 1 de enero. O sea, lo lógico sería que en noviembre, diciembre hiciéramos ya una revisión para tenerlo todo lo mejor posible y el día 5 de enero, 10 de enero le diéramos al botón y ya tener nuestro informe fiscal, ya sabemos lo que tenemos que pagar.
Habéis tenido la generosidad de veniros a Madrid, a CryptoPlaza, a ver qué quieren saber los riders, que os puedan preguntar físicamente, también online. A partir de ahí, ¿dónde puede la gente acudir a vosotros para haceros esas preguntas o para contratar vuestros servicios? ¿Dónde recomiendas que lo mandemos a los riders?
Además, ya que hablabas de CryptoPlaza, vamos a sortear 2 membresías, ¿vale?
Vaya.
De CryptoPlaza. Al final, en CryptoPlaza están haciendo aquí una gran labor, haciendo formaciones continuas de todo tema cripto, pero es una pasada cuando entras. Entonces nosotros queremos ayudar un poco también a que todo el mundo se forme y vamos a sortear 2 membresías un poco en función de dónde viene cada uno. Entonces, si alguien era rider, que ha puesto que era rider y encima era de CoinTracking y venía también de Crypto, pues se tiene más votos, por decirlo así, para que cuando hagamos el sorteo, que lo haremos pues mañana o pasado, le den esa membresía. Y después, para vernos a nosotros, pues en nuestra web www.crypto.com. Estamos en Zaragoza, pero al final lo hacemos todo online.
Y ese canal de YouTube que yo creo que llevas, ¿cuántos vídeos ya hablando de criptomonedas y regulaciones?
Pues más de 100 vídeos hablando de un tema tan bonito y tan apasionante. Ahora ya no tengo vergüenza de nada, al principio me costaba un poco, ¿verdad? Claro. Pero ahora ya pones la cámara y
vamos perdiendo la vergüenza totalmente. Y al final, oye, que necesitamos ayuda, necesitamos entender todo esto que es complejo, y gracias a ese canal de YouTube pues hemos ido aprendiendo poquito a poco. Muchas gracias, Jesús. Nos quedamos a Lama y a ver qué tal se da, a ver qué preguntas tienen los riders.
A ver, muchas gracias.
Jesús Lorente, CL Crypto,
Ya tenemos ese sorteo, no tenemos que esperar más, lo hemos hecho en directo en Twitch, donde puedes ver todos los días el Crypto News de FunOntheRide y verás en la descripción de este vídeo los ganadores del sorteo. Ahí habrás conseguido una membresía digital para CryptoPlaza. Tenemos que apoyar a CryptoPlaza porque al final estos son los grandes cracks que tenemos por aquí en Madrid, tanto CryptoPlaza, TaxDown, CL Crypto, CoinTracking también, que se han venido. Así que apoya a CryptoPlaza, que nos está reuniendo a todos, y si quieres aprender, pues su membresía es genial. Tienen ahí un montón de truquitos para airdrops, te van a dar cursicos que te dicen no pagues por cursos, que te van a dar un montón de formación. La membresía digital, si no te toca en el sorteo, la puedes ganar, y siempre pues acude ahí, mírate la agenda que tiene CryptoPlaza y participa y sigue formándote. Seguimos aprendiendo en FunOntheRide. Y ahora sí, vámonos con qué está pasando en el mercado cripto. Oh, man. Turn into English. I turn into Spanish. So funny. Okay, I have to do that again. Because as Jesus was speaking in Spanish, I forgot I was talking in English. Okay, so he was telling at the end of this video that they are drawing 2 of these memberships, this just free. You are going to learn with CryptoPlaza all those courses they have. They also have recommendations for airdrops, etc., etc. So maybe you are one of the winners. We already did the draw on Twitch. You'll find the winners in the description of this video. You can watch FunOntheRide Crypto News every day on Twitch. And if you didn't win, well, you can support CryptoPlaza. They are joining all the best of the crypto space in Spain, in Madrid, in Street Mendez Álvaro 9. So go there and you can see the agenda they have, and every day you'll learn something different and mostly for free. If you want better conditions for that learning, just get the membership. And now let's go to Ethereum. It's stronger than ever. Of course it is. We have the countdown down. It's over. And what's going now? What's going on now? That Ethereum is in a new epoch, a new era. After yesterday, 2227 UTC, that was the moment where Chappelle was on, and everybody with this historic moment is able now of withdrawing all the tokens they have on Ethereum. In one of the live programs, we had Vitalik Buterin, the father of Ethereum, was there saying that it's very, very important, but it's just a step. Now, we keep on working for the scalability problem on Ethereum. If we don't fix it, well, people is going to be stuck paying $500 on commissions again, and we don't want that. So it's going to be this hard for a catalyzer for a price pump or for a price dump or maybe none of that? Well, we speculated about that in this video. Is Ethereum going to go down? You have it in Spanish and in English in FunOntheRide Crypto. Also here, you have a lot of information about what does this mean. And we told you that maybe Ethereum is going to go to $4,000 at some point. Well, you have to watch that video to know how and why we said that. And also, at those programs, we said that we weren't expecting a lot of people withdrawing those rewards they had already. And like Glassnode was expecting a 1% of that Ethereum staked to be sold. Here in whenmerge.com, you can see validators entering in the queue, and you can see the ones that are exiting. So finally here, you can see also the amount of Ethereum that is going to be available. That says 1 million Ethereum. But I went to beaconchat.in, and you can see here that the staked Ethereum still remains mostly the same. And I don't really understand why from April 9th it was starting to go lower. So I don't get this and how it's going higher now than it was on the 9th. Maybe you can just write a comment below so I understand it. But what I understand is that Ethereum is the ultrasound money because it's becoming deflationary. You can see that in the last 7 days, we are just going more and more deflationary, which is awesome. And Ethereum is about to break the $2,000 range. So crazy. We're going up. And why is that? Well, Alex Zvanevic believes that this is because now people sees that everything is working. So that the people that risked their Ethereum in that smart contract are able of really actually taking that money out of the smart contract. So now they are like, okay, if it's safe, then I'm going to put my money on it. So maybe that's what's going on, and maybe that's what's pushing price of Ethereum going crazy high. We expected the opposite. Remember, we said maybe this is a buy the rumor, sell the news event, and in 6 days we will reach the bottom for the drop of Ethereum. But no, we are going crazy up. And we'll see once we break that $2,000 line. Because remember in that video, do not miss that out, we talk about the possibility of a double top for Ethereum. So maybe we'll go to 2,000 something and then start going down again. We'll see about that in Crypto News Fun on the right. Where also we want to put an eye on the liquid staking governance tokens. Remember Lido, Rocket Pool, etc. Now going also up. At the beginning, they had a drop. Why? Because, well, now everybody can go to Ethereum smart contract, but also you need the 32 Ethereum. And I believe that not a lot of people have them. They don't have the technical skills in order to validate. So still these liquid solutions where you don't need the 32 Ethereum is still a good solution in my opinion. I believe those prices will go higher, but I'm not expert. I have no clue. You can see I'm the counter indicator. And now what to expect for Ethereum? Well, we had last year the merge, but now we need the burst, the purge, and the scourge. So that means that so many things has to be done still for Ethereum to be scalable and safe and fast, etc., etc. Berkeley trees and gossip and all that has to be deployed in the next hard forks. We will also learn about that. And let's change gears. What is this? What's going up so crazy? Well, this is FTT from FTX. What are you talking about? The death exchange Sam Bankman-Fried is going up in a rocket. They say they recovered like $7.3 billion of that money lost allegedly in the FTX fiasco. So right now they believe that people using FTX will have their money back. This is the plan they have. And they also plan, allegedly, if this is not fake news, to reopen the exchange, which in my opinion is crazy. This is the price maybe also going FTT to a double top right now. Be careful if you buy this. Michael Van de Poppe telling you that maybe the market provides you better opportunities. Do we really need FTX to go back to life after everything we lived? Will you trust them? Well, I prefer our partner OKX. You have the link in the description. Subscribe, you help the channel FunOntheRide indirectly, and they have more than 50 million users in more than 180 markets all over the world. They are using and trusting OKX, and they have proof of reserves. So as this tweet is telling you, you can be safer than we were with FTX. Here you can see the bubble crazy, all the market in the green, but FTT is the king today. And you can see that Ethereum is leading the rise of the market. So now maybe if I refresh, we are in the grid. We are in 61 right now. And you can see that the best crypto, Ethereum, of course, would be there. Let me refresh it again. You can see that Ethereum is there. Also, Ethereum Classic going higher 6%. And you can see Lido, Optimism, and Arbitrum. So again, all the layer 2 solutions, we'll see which one is the one that leads the market in the future, the technology that we end using for good. Dollar also going down, so that's good for our crypto sphere and also for the stock market and for gold. So we'll see if Bitcoin is creating this analysis technique pattern, will be a bull flag, and maybe this will push us to $33,000. We'll see about that now that we are almost 50% since Jim Cramer said that he will sell all his Bitcoin. He's a legend. He is more times wrong than myself. Maybe we're going to close the gap of the $35,000. Maybe not. Maybe yesterday was a bad day. Today is a good day. Maybe tomorrow is again a bad day and we go to $28,000. You know how the crypto market is. And remember that in 2021, we went in April down from April the 14th. So we'll see about that today, the 13th. We have good news coming from Hong Kong. We have a very important bank there offering services in crypto. Right now, Chinese population can't use it, but maybe in the future, and that would be so huge. And Warren Buffett still doesn't believe in Bitcoin. He doesn't know how to make the Bitcoin watch come back, the clock, the time in Bitcoin. And that's precisely what our friend Valdeán de Mágico told us so long ago. Precisely, Bitcoin is that clock that we need, that no one can move at all. And that's precisely the job for Bitcoin. In United States, they give us more things to be worried. Now, banks in United States losing money with those, let me translate it, with those mortgages. And this is the first time in history. Also, talking about some altcoins, we have a massive airdrop for XRP holders on Coinbase. That's the Flare token. We'll see about that. Right now, it's not affecting the price of Flare token. And remember, it's not going to be automatic. We have to wait. And also, you can trade FLR on Coinbase till they have the liquidity enough to do so. It's 10 years since the moment this guy Marcus Connor created those roller coasters, and he liked our tweet about it. And also today I bring you how did he created this special edition. You can see it here, how it's a manual job, handcraft, and he will do all by his hand. So awesome. We love it. Thank you very much. In the DeFi ecosystem, we are below $50 billion. And I have to tell you that maybe you want to collect this new NFT collection about Bruce Lee. You have time till Friday. It's going to be allegedly $15. So if you want a moment of Bruce Lee's history or one of these change things, you can buy it now. Maybe in the future it's worth more, or maybe not. I have no clue. What I know is that here our friend Simon Josue sent us this movie recording the situation with Elon Musk and that reporter from the BBC. So it's like, okay, I'm here, I want to watch Twitter, and he was hit by Elon Musk, allegedly. And here we know Satoshi Nakamoto, finally, Iron Man is telling us that this is Satoshi telling us to hold our Bitcoin. So clear. Thank you very much. Also, you can see this cat trying to hide all the Bitcoin it has under this box. And you can see that maybe the market will make you feel scared. Like this, oh my God, do not do that again. I need to chill like this cat is doing. Let's relax for a little bit. Thank you very much for your time. We have no more time today. If you want this in Spanish, go to our primary channel, FunOntheRide. If you want more in English, just wait for next crypto news tomorrow here. Crypto news, FunOntheRide, health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come en Crypto a tope. ¡To the moon!